everyone, welcome to the Melbourne International Jazz Festival's first set of online jazz workshops. I'm Holly Moore, I'm a saxophone player and I write music, I teach music. I've been playing for quite a while. I studied jazz at Monash University and also the Victorian College of the Arts. And since graduating, I've been playing music around Melbourne and teaching. And a few years ago, I moved to New York City and I was there for a little while, moved back to Melbourne at the end of last year. And now in 2020, I'm the Melbourne International Jazz Festival's emerging jazz leader for a program called Take Note. And I'll be taking you through these jazz workshops.